there and welcome back. Today, you'll learn how to introduce yourself in English. Are you ready? Let's go. The first step is your introduction sentence. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is April. Again, hello, my name is, insert your name. Now you try. You could also say, hi, I'm April. Try saying, hi, I'm, insert your name. Next, let's talk about where you're from. Repeat after me. I'm from Washington, D.C. Another example. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Tokyo. Now you try. Another polite thing to say is, how are you? To respond, you could also say, I am well, thank you, or nice to meet you. Say it with me and put it all together. I am well, thank you, nice to meet you. Let's try a full introduction. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is April. I'm from the United States of America. Nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. Great job! You're introducing yourself in English. Let's practice together. I'll ask and you answer. Ready? What's your name? Where are you from? Well, it's nice to meet you. That's amazing. You are learning very fast. So let's review. Hello, my name is. I'm from. Nice to meet you. Now, your homework is to write your introduction in the comments. I'll read each one of them and reply. You did a great job today. Remember, practice makes progress. Keep going. See you next time.